Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am showing mango Phirni, another refreshing, yummy dessert for mango lovers. For this recipe, I am using Basmati rice, 1/4 cup. Wash and soak it for 30 minutes and then you can drain and coarse grind in the blender and keep it aside. We need 2 ripe mangoes. Here I am using Alfonso mango. 1 mango pureed and another one chop it into small pieces. We need mango custard. You can use vanilla custard also. If you have mango, use the mango custard. Use 1 tablespoon mango custard mixed with 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it well. Boil 1 liter milk and you can add coarse ground rice and cook it for like 4 minutes. Add half cup of sugar and stir until the sugar melts. Once it starts to boil, you can reduce the heat to low and you can cover and cook for 25 minutes. Make sure to stir in between, otherwise it will burn the bottom. At this point, you can add the custard mix and cook for like 2 minutes. Once it's thick, you can turn off the heat. Add pureed mangoes and mix it very well. Now you can add the rest of the ingredients, chopped mangoes, and you can save some for the garnishing. Chopped pistachio, chopped cashews and chopped almonds. Mix it well until everything combined together and you can refrigerate for at least 2 hours and you can serve it chilled. Once it's chilled, you can transfer to the serving bowls and you can garnish with mangoes and all the chopped nuts and enjoy. Mango Phirni is ready to eat now. I hope you will try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.